Hi, as one of the agencies under MED, I would like to invite all SMEs to Minggu Usahawan Nasional MUN at Maib Serdang on 29th of August until 1st September 2019. My name is Arya Putra bin Ismail. I'm Group President and CEO of SME Bank. This will be inshallah, my first year on this coming 3rd of September. Me and the team has basically revisited the bank and to make sure that the bank to stay relevant and contribute a significant impact to the whole ecosystem, SME ecosystem. So therefore, we are focusing on the 4 P's. People, product, portfolio and profitability. And this is also to be in line after we had revisited our mission and vision to be leader in the SME ecosystem value creation beyond financial services. That will be our vision going forward for the bank. And as far as the mission is concerned, we want to be the center of excellence for SME development. When we talk about SME development, it's not only focusing on clients, but it's also capacity building within the bank. We want to be, the bank that producing good talent within the banking sector, supporting the SMEs segment. Second is we have introduced a new core value for our bank's employee to subscribe and appreciate. And this new core value is basically very significant and important to be understood and also subscribed by all employees of the bank in achieving our new mission and vision. The new core value basically it is called SMILE. SMILE is basically S is strong teamwork and integrity, M is managing stakeholders, I innovation via technology, L leadership and growth, and E efficiency and productivity, which we call lean. So with this new core value, we believe that we will be able to create better services to the SMEs out there, and to make sure that our presence in this economy is still relevant and significant. The third things that I've undertaken or I've implemented is we have restructured our organization chart, where the creation of new pillars of the bank to make sure that the bank stays relevant and sustainable in the long run. So we are not, inshallah, we are not relying on external parties to lead the bank going forward. We will make sure that the talent, our in-house talent, is being trained, and they will be our future leaders to take this bank to the next level going forward, inshallah. We also launched the new digital initiative also under this 2 years accelerated program or transformation, which we call platform digital PKS kebangsaan ataupun National SMEs digital platform. And we as a program lead will be implementing few key initiatives which has been approved by the Majlis Pembangunan Negara and also the NASDC, where the bank will be taking lead on 4 key areas to make sure that SMEs out there won't have or will have a better experience when it comes to accessibility to financing, and also parties to develop them and to make sure that whoever started as a micro can be a big player one day. So there will be a demarcation of role and responsibilities by all government agencies under this initiative. The 5th one would be the Hala Tuju Anak Syarikat. We have few subsidiaries within the banking group. One of it is SEDA. They are be leading a few digital initiatives, providing the marketplace to all PKS or SMEs to transact within themselves and also to make sure that the accessibility to financing can be better and more efficient, so that the SMEs who are not able to penetrate commercial banks to get financing, that now they can go through digital scorecard, where SEDA will then channel the application to the respective agencies that falls under a specific segment, which is micro, small, medium and large. As I mentioned, these two will be launched very soon. We yet to set the date for the launching, but we are moving towards completion and the launching of these two initiatives. Another one that we have introduced is the program Titan. Under this program Titan, we are going to identify players ataupun SMEs that we can nurture, and one day insyaAllah they will be a billion company. So we want to make industry champion. We want to make sure that these high performing or high potential businesses can be one day the key players in this, not only in Malaysian market but also at least this region, or best case would be a global player one day. This digital transformation of the bank started end of last year, end of 2018, where it is the mark of a new journey. This transformation is also in line with the new IR 4.0, which using AI to make sure that we have a very clear program, and the businesses would benefit from their participation in this transformation. Again, the objective of this transformation undertaken by us is to make sure that we are not only stay relevant, but to create an impact of our presence in this SMEs, especially our contribution to the GDP, and we want to be the leaders in the SME ecosystem. So to achieve that, we have to make sure that our internal stakeholders or our team is being equipped with the right skills and capabilities. So as I mentioned, then the strategy when it comes to making sure this initiative can be implemented successfully is we try to reskill our staff and try to make sure that our staff has the right skill and the right talent to undertake this new role. Not only that, we are also collaborating with a few external parties, which I think everybody has known that we had entered into few MOUs with external parties, which eventually will value add to our new journey of our digital transformation. So this digital transformation has four main components, which is the SME Insight. The SME Insight is basically focusing on giving leads to all government agencies and also SMEs to make sure that their direction when it comes to implementing new products are more targeted and impactful. And for the SMEs is they know which market that they can enter or they can penetrate, and which product that will give a better ROI to their establishment. Besides that, we have the Score Access. The Score Access, as I mentioned earlier, it will be a credit scorecard, digital credit scorecard driven by AI, that making sure that the accessibility of funding will inshallah will be more efficient and fast, and the role of government agencies can be highlighted and can be more significant to the SMEs out there. The third would be the Pay Access. The Pay Access is basically our digital current account ataupun e-current account, which we are expected to enroll in this near future, where the digital current account we facilitate not only the disbursement by all agencies, but also to profile all of our borrowers or clients to assist agencies in coming up with a more impactful program to develop their client within the segment. And the last one would be the biz access. The biz access is basically the marketplace. The unique of this biz access or the marketplace as compared to the marketplace out there is, if I may use this word, to be fully funded, meaning all the agencies, the customer of the agencies will be using the marketplace not only to source raw materials, but also to market their product and services on the platform, and funding to be supported by agencies through that are going to be participating in this platform. So from the supplier point of view, indirectly it has built certain level of trust to sell or to supply their product to our clients who needs of their raw materials. And this also going to be the avenue of other PKS or other SMEs to cross-sell their product to other SMEs. So we are connecting the dots between SMEs in Malaysia, which which we think that our SMEs in Malaysia can produce a similar quality at a better price. Cuma it's not been highlighted, or it's not been put on a common platform to market their product and services. And this is also arising from our finding. You know, when we meet our clients and ask them to sell their product and services on the platform, the first thing that they say is it's very expensive. You know, to come up with the marketplace to sell their products. So as part of our beyond financing mandate that we are playing or we are undertaking is to come up with the marketplace to make sure that their product and services can be easily marketed to a bigger target market or segment. It's a free platform where, you know, if you know, like in the likes of Alibaba or Lazada or Shopee, so on and so forth. But this, as I said, this is unique because we have agencies backing up this platform. So this is how we are going to be differentiating ourselves or our product as compared to other marketplaces, to make sure that our internal team is being equipped or reskilled or enhanced in terms of the competencies to carry on our digital initiative. We have started a few trainings to all staff, especially on the IT department, our operations, as well as our banking or financing team within the bank, so that they understand how this digital transformation can benefit not only their day-to-day work, but also to how to deliver the best services to the clients. And we are getting the team to involve in all in all projects that the bank is currently undertaking, so that they know what's going on, and they are able to convince other participants, which is the agencies, also when we want to onboard our customer on the marketplace later on. We're also going to implement few this technology or a system within our outfit to make sure macam people in the operation can be more effective and efficient in terms of delivering the turnaround time to the customer. And for the banking side, for example, the team not only able to process it fast, but they can also able to advise the client before the client can tell us what they need for them in the future.